The 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw is a next-generation three-wheeler designed to offer better efficiency, durability, and comfort. As an upgraded version of previous models, it brings modern technology, improved safety, and a stylish design to enhance both driver and passenger experience. With its fuel-efficient engine, ergonomic seating, and advanced features, this rickshaw is built for urban and suburban transport, making it a practical choice for daily commuters and transport business owners. Starting with the design, the 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw features a sleek and aerodynamic body that enhances fuel economy. The bold front grille, stylish headlights, and refined body panels give it a modern and premium look. It is available in multiple colors, including green, blue, red, and yellow, allowing owners to choose a variant that suits their preference. The body panels are designed to be resistant to wear and tear, making them more durable in tough road conditions. LED headlights and taillights provide better illumination at night while also being energy efficient. Under the hood, this rickshaw is powered by a highly efficient 4-stroke, air-cooled engine that delivers smooth performance. The improved fuel injection system ensures better mileage, reducing operational costs for drivers. It is available in both petrol and CNG variants, offering flexibility based on fuel availability and user preference. The CNG version is an eco-friendly option, producing lower emissions while still maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. With an optimized exhaust system, this model contributes to reduced pollution and cleaner air quality in urban areas. The seating capacity has been designed to provide maximum comfort for passengers. The ergonomic seats come with better cushioning, reducing fatigue on long rides. The passenger cabin is slightly larger than previous models, allowing for a more relaxed and spacious travel experience. Additionally, the upgraded suspension system ensures a smoother ride, minimizing vibrations and bumps even on uneven roads. One of the standout features of the 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw is its modern dashboard with digital instrumentation. The speedometer, fuel gauge, and trip meter are clearly displayed, giving drivers easy access to important information. This model also includes a USB charging port, allowing drivers to charge their devices on the go. The improved dashboard design makes it more user-friendly and visually appealing. Safety has been a major focus in this model. The braking system has been upgraded with front disc brakes, offering better stopping power and control. The rickshaw is also equipped with high-traction tires, reducing skidding risks on wet and slippery roads. Additional safety features include seat belts for passengers and a reinforced chassis that provides extra protection in case of impact. These improvements make the 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw one of the safest models in its category. Fuel efficiency is another key highlight of this model. The petrol variant offers excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily transportation needs. The CNG variant takes fuel savings even further, allowing drivers to reduce fuel expenses significantly. This makes it an ideal option for commercial transport businesses looking for an economical and eco-friendly solution. In terms of storage, the 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw includes under-seat compartments and a small dashboard storage space. These allow drivers to keep important documents, tools, or personal belongings securely. The improved door design provides better insulation, reducing external noise and creating a more comfortable cabin environment. The ride quality has been further enhanced with an advanced suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively. Whether navigating busy city streets or uneven rural roads, the upgraded suspension ensures a stable and smooth driving experience. The lightweight construction of the rickshaw allows for better handling and maneuverability, making it easy to drive in congested areas. Another important aspect of this model is its low maintenance cost. The 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw is designed with durable components that require minimal upkeep. The engine is built for long-term reliability, reducing the frequency of repairs and service costs. The availability of spare parts is also widespread, making it easy for owners to maintain their vehicles without high expenses. The customization options offered by Suzuki make this rickshaw even more appealing. Owners can choose from a variety of accessories, including roof covers, additional seating features, and upgraded infotainment options. This allows businesses to tailor the rickshaw according to their specific needs, whether for passenger transport, cargo hauling, or special services. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Rickshaw is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable three-wheeler. Its modern features, enhanced safety, and economical fuel options make it a strong competitor in the market. With a combination of affordability, efficiency, and performance, this model is expected to be a top choice for both individual owners and commercial transport businesses.